Hi guys, if your keyboard is not typing correct letters, like for instance you are typing W and it's showing T or some other characters, so in this video I'll show you the quick way to fix it. So first you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to time and language, and then you need to go to language and region, and then you need to add a language over here. So look, you need to add English United States if it is not there. I have already added that. So let me just show you how to add a language. So now look, let me just select English, and I'll choose English Canada, and I'm going to click next, and I will click install. The installation process will take some time to complete. After that, once this is done and dusted, you need to make sure that English United States should be on top of everything. It should be on top of every other language. And then window display language should be set as English United States as well. Okay. Once everything is done, you need to restart your computer and your issue will be fixed. At the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.